Welcome! Today I'm gonna show you my squishy collection. So first I have this Jumbo Panda Bun. I'm so sorry. Yeah, this Jumbo Panda Bun. It's so squishy. Next squishy is this Emotional Bun. It comes with this bread tag. And next is this Rilakkuma Head Squishy. Next squishy is this Rilakkuma Honey Toast, the ice cream squishy, my cupcake squishy, and this licensed Hello Kitty donut squishy, and Rilakkuma cream puff squishy, the donut mirror squishy, Hello Kitty in a peach squishy, emotional hamburger squishy, this tiger squishy, and it comes with the bread tattoo, and this ribbon squishy, macaron squishy, this green donut mirror squishy, Rilakkuma strawberry squishy, Rilakkuma cream puff squishy, hamburger mirror squishy, this Rilakkuma cupcake squishy, the cat face squishy, this donut squishy, and it has a mirror too, another tiger face squishy with this bread tag, and another mirror squishy, this beaten donut squishy, this mirror donut squishy, this ornament squishy, pew 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 pew, haha, this donut squishy, and the last, and this ice cream squishy, this Bradle slice of love, I decorate it myself, this Rilakkuma pancake squishy, and I'm gonna show you some of my homemade squishies too. This is the bread with maybe strawberry jam and some chocolate squishy. Yeah, this cake squishy, and this ribbon, and this like present squishy low. But anyway, this all my squishies. Thanks for watching. Bye.